Financial freedom made simple, a beginner's guide to wealth. Imagine waking up every day with no worries about bills, no stress about your job, and the freedom to spend your time however you want. This is the dream of financial freedom, living life on your own terms. But how do you get there? Is financial freedom really possible for ordinary people like us? The answer is yes. Today, I'm going to show you a step-by-step plan to achieve financial freedom, no matter where you're starting from. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge and tools you need to begin your journey to financial independence and take control of your future. Welcome to Wealth Galaxy, your guide to financial freedom. If you're ready to learn how to budget, save, invest, and grow your wealth, hit that subscribe button. Let's dive in. Let's start with the basics. What is financial freedom? Financial freedom means having enough income from your investments, savings, or passive income to cover your living expenses, so you no longer depend on a paycheck. It's not just about not having to work, it's about having the freedom to choose how you spend your time. In simple terms, your money works for you, so you don't have to work for money. Think about what it would be like to be able to quit a job you don't love and focus on what excites you. Spend more time with family and friends, knowing your finances are secure. Travel the world without worrying about money or needing to take time off work. Pursue passions and projects that make you happy and fulfilled. Financial freedom isn't about being a billionaire. It's about having control over your time and making choices that bring you happiness. It's about shifting from working for money to letting money work for you. Why do most people not achieve financial freedom? 1. Lack of financial education. Most of us were never taught how to manage money effectively, save, invest, or budget. It's not a subject that gets much attention in schools, and many adults never learn the skills necessary to gain control of their finances. 2. Lifestyle inflation. As income increases, so do expenses, bigger houses, fancier cars, and more luxuries. This leads to the trap of spending everything we earn without building savings or investments. 3. Living paycheck to paycheck. Spending everything we earn leaves no room for saving or investing, making it difficult to build wealth. When you live paycheck to paycheck, the future always feels out of reach. 4. Debt. Credit card debt, student loans, and overspending can trap people in a cycle of working just to survive. High-interest debt especially can drag you down and keep you from building wealth. But here's the good news, financial freedom is possible. And with the right strategies, you can break free from the cycle of debt and take control of your money. Let's explore the 7 steps to financial freedom. Step 1. Understand your financial situation. The first step to achieving financial freedom is understanding exactly where you are financially. You can't improve what you don't measure. What you need to do: calculate your income. How much do you bring in every month? This includes your salary, side hustle earnings, investment income, etc. Track your expenses. Write down every dollar you spend for at least a month. Use apps or simple spreadsheets to categorize your spending. This will show you where your money goes. List your debts. How much do you owe, and what are the interest rates and minimum payments? Start with high-interest debts like credit cards first. Use apps to track your finances, or start with a simple notebook. Make it a habit to review your financial situation regularly. It's important to check in with your finances every few months and adjust as necessary. Step 2. Create a budget and stick to it. A budget is a tool that helps you control your money instead of letting it control you. Without a budget, it's easy to let your spending get out of hand, especially when there's no clear plan. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple way to structure your budget. 50% for needs. These are essentials like rent, groceries, utilities, insurance, and transportation. 30% for wants, things that make life enjoyable, like dining out, entertainment, shopping, and vacations. 20% for savings and investments. This is for your future. Paying yourself first should be a non-negotiable priority. Pro tip: if you're spending more than 50% on needs, it might be time to look for ways to downsize or cut costs. If you can save more than 20%, that's even better. A well-maintained budget will help you allocate money effectively, avoid overspending, and ensure that you're always prioritizing savings and investments. Step 3. Build an emergency fund. Before you dive into investing, it's essential to have a financial cushion. Life is unpredictable. Unexpected expenses like car repairs, medical bills, or home maintenance can happen at any time. An emergency fund gives you peace of mind when life throws surprises your way. Your target is to save 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a separate savings account. Start small, even €20 a week can add up over time. Once you've built your emergency fund, You'll feel less stressed about unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs. Action tip: set up automatic transfers to your emergency fund with each pay period so it becomes effortless. Step 4. Pay off high-interest debt. Debt is one of the biggest barriers to financial freedom. High-interest debts, like credit cards and payday loans, can trap you in a cycle of paying interest without making a dent in your principal. The sooner you tackle it, the faster you'll be able to move toward financial freedom. Start by paying off high-interest debts first. Here are 2 strategies to help you pay off debt faster. 1. Snowball method: pay off the smallest debts first. This helps you gain momentum and feel motivated as you tick off smaller debts one by one. 2. Avalanche method: focus on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first. This saves you the most money in the long run by minimizing interest payments. Once your high-interest debt is under control, you'll have more money to invest and save. Pro tip: if you have multiple debts, try consolidating them to lower your overall interest rate. Step 5. Increase your income. The fastest way to reach financial freedom is to earn more money. This doesn't mean you have to work 80-hour weeks, but by diversifying your income sources, you can accelerate your path to financial independence. Ways to increase your income: start a side hustle. Freelancing, tutoring, consulting, selling online, or offering a service can generate additional income. Ask for a raise, demonstrate your value at work, and negotiate for better compensation. Build passive income: investments, real estate, or creating digital products like ebooks or courses. The key is to think beyond just one income stream. The more streams of income you have, the faster you can build wealth and achieve financial freedom. Example: if you make an extra €500 a month and invest it consistently, you could turn that into €200,000 over the next 10 years at a reasonable return rate. Step 6. Start investing to grow your wealth. Investing is the key to turning your savings into real wealth. It allows you to earn money on your money. Start small, but start now. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow. Here are a few ways to start investing. Index funds and ETFs, simple, low-risk investments for beginners. They track the market, giving you exposure to a diverse range of companies. Dividend stocks, invest in companies that pay dividends, and you'll earn passive income regularly. Retirement accounts, contribute to accounts for tax benefits and long-term growth. Example: if you invest €500 a month into an index fund with an 8% return, you'll have over €375,000 in 20 years. The power of compound interest is real, and the earlier you start, the more your money will multiply over time. Pro tip: always invest for the long term. The stock market can be volatile in the short term, but over time, it tends to grow. Step 7. Keep learning and adjusting. Financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. Successful people are always learning, improving, and adjusting their plans based on new information. Even when you've made significant progress, it's important to keep learning and adjusting your plan. Here are ways to continue learning. Read books like The Psychology of Money or Rich Dad Poor Dad to deepen your understanding. Listen to podcasts and follow channels like this one for tips on saving, investing, and mindset. Regularly review your finances and tweak your strategies as needed. Life changes, and so should your financial plan. Stay committed, keep learning, and continually adjust your strategy as your life and finances evolve. Let's recap the 7 steps to financial freedom. 1. Understand your financial situation. 2. Create a budget and stick to it. 3. Build an emergency fund. 4. Pay off high-interest debt. 5. Increase your income. 6. Start investing to grow your wealth. 7. Keep learning and adjusting. Remember, financial freedom is not about luck or being born rich. It's about making smart choices, developing good habits, and staying consistent. Even if you start small, every step you take will bring you closer to the freedom you deserve. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone ready to take control of their finances, and subscribe to Wealth Galaxy for more tips on budgeting, saving, and investing. Let's take this journey to financial freedom together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.